Okay, so we're in the retained earnings section. You got the beginning balance of retained earnings from your balance in your unadjusted trial balance there. We got the net income on the income statement. Remember, dividends reduce your retained earnings because you gave out some dividends to stockholders. So we're going to look at the adjusted trial balance for that and see how much we gave out for dividends. So $12,000 in dividends. So less 12,000 here gives us 61,148, and that is still a net increase. Now, if you gave out $80,000 in dividends and you only made 73,000, then you would have a net decrease right during the year. Or if you lost money, then you would have a decrease. So the balance then on December 31st, 2018 is your balance starting the month or starting the year, and your increase during the year. You're going to add those two together. Is 76,431.40. And so then total stockholders' equity is the capital stock plus the retained earnings. And this is at the end of the year. We're going to add those two together then. Is 158,931.40. I didn't put for year ended rather than just the date. The only one that really has the date on these ones is the balance sheet that we'll do. So it should say for month ended. What did I do here? Subtract wrong. Alright, so sorry. 148 minus 12,000. 61,148. Oh, 148.80. I forgot the 80 cents twice. Okay. And so that threw these all off. Yeah. So, sorry, got in a rush there. So you should have had a different answer there because of the cents there. So 432.20, and then this was a few cents off there, 158,932.20. Okay. Okay, so that's 16.2.